Are you ready?
Grand boys. Wow.
Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
By French press at the cabin.
Hi.
Hi, is it a video?
It is a video.
Wow!
Where are we going?
We are going Christmas tree cutting 2020 up in Lassen area. And the boys are in the back. Mom and Dad are in front of us in the truck. Heather and John are behind us in the truck. And your parents are behind them in the truck.
Yeah.
The redneck Christmas!
Gonna make our drivers sick, probably, with all the bouncing and movement. Yeah. So, it'll be fun.
We are excited. We're going up into the snow. Dad and I were up in the snow yesterday in the Jeep, breaking it in. And it was fun. So we're gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Woohoo! In the back
Paul,
again?
did the snowman fall? Are you eating the snow?
No. You wanna get in Papa's truck?
Can you eat the snow? Or I guess I shouldn't say can you. You have
We'll
been
put you
eating
in
the
Papa's
snow.
truck. That way you can play.
They tried to make a snowman.
Or what can she
Yeah,
smell?
other doggies. Yeah,
Maybe.
Obviously, there's a pretty big pop. Yeah.
Hi, Dyson. Hi. 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 Hi, Hen Hen.
Watch this.
Okay, we're watching. Ah! Ah! What a woman. What a woman.
Doing all the hard work.
As you should be.
My arm's burning.
My turn?
You lied.
Alright, let's see the progress you've made. Not too bad.
He's smiling. Logan, where you going, sweetie? Don't fall. Hi! Where you going? You're walking away from everyone. Look, everyone else is up there. We're going away from people. We were getting pictures.
Did that without you and John.
No, you need to do it again.
You
were in the line of fire.
Yeah,
right?
Kids were in it. I was in it. John, you know.
Hey, Logan. Hi. Yeah. Where you going, Dyson? Say hi.
Oh, no.
We are back from our Christmas tree cutting. Hi.
Hi.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah, but
part that I didn't like was sliding in the truck on the trail.
You didn't like sliding on the ice in the truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Stop, stop. Hooray! You guys are getting tired.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you like our Christmas tree, boys? Tree! Christmas! Tree! Good job doing the duo. What do you think of the tree? Do you like the tree? Hi, Logan. What do you think of the tree? Whoa.
You touch it very carefully.
Do you like it? We're decorating it. We're putting Christmas lights on it.
This is a Christmas tree.
You just went up on the ladder?
Yesterday?
Yeah. Whoa.
Can you say Christmas? Yeah.
Christmas.
Logan, can you say Christmas? Off. Well, the lights are off for now.
Yeah.
We'll turn them on once we're all ready.
It'll be nice and bright here in
You wanna
a little
sit
bit.
down, Chucks?
Should have given us 10 more minutes.
I know.